Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a back eject in Crimson Desert. It's an extremely popular move used in the Assassin's Creed series for traversing the environment. In Crimson Desert, we are introduced to precision jumping. However, during the tutorial, it was never explained that this can be incorporated with ledge grabbing. To do a back eject, or if you want to eject in any direction, hang on to a ledge by going near it and pressing C on your keyboard. Make sure the character is also stepping into the wall. While in a ledge, hold control to use precision jumping. Press jump to land on the spot you aimed. You can aim this at very far locations, which can be used as an exploit to either gain height or launch yourself to long distances. And that's how to do a back eject in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.